What's going on, everybody? We're
Hey,
back. Before we start, real quick, as of right now, our break's still open. Still got 14 spots left. Two teams, 10% off. Three or more, 15% off. 5 boxes in total. Check it out over there on Instagram. There's a video of all the boxes that are included. The price you see is the price you pay. Nothing for shipping. Shipping is already included in the prices. But today, what do we got today?
so this is very different. Happened to be in a thrift store, and this was actually a long time ago. I mean, a long, long time ago. These were sitting in the bottom of a box. I completely forgot about them. I probably have these at least a year or more, probably. And what I found was there were these two bags of cards that are already in the big binder sleeves, and it was half off day, and each binder was marked at $5, but I got it for $2.50 each. The only thing we really know is basically what we see on this front. So we know that there's some Topps Chrome in here, and there's even actually some of the '09 Winter Classic.
World
I'm sorry,
Baseball Classic.
World Baseball Classic. And in this one, we know that we have some Upper Deck masterpieces, uh, and that's all we know from here because that's all we can actually see. So uh, we're gonna finally crack these open and see what we may have. Um, I know Mike wants the Mickey Mantle, so although I don't know why he thinks he goes ahead and gets it automatically. But it doesn't make a difference. We're just going to go ahead and open these up. We'll figure out what's happening with the cards afterwards. But let's see what we could possibly have. So again, the top is the only one that I've seen. So when you're looking at it, there's a Babe Ruth card there, another Babe Ruth, a Bobby Thompson, uh, Bill Mazeroski, Carlton Fisk, Mr. Gibson, Don Larson, Lou Gehrig, Roger Maris, Cal Ripken, Bucky Dent, Ryan Howard, Hideki Matsui, Brooks Robinson, Roger Clemens, Sandy Kofax. Pretty cool. Wow. Walter Johnson, Ozzie Smith in the middle of his backflip. That's pretty cool. Another Babe Ruth, a Roy Campanella. That's a nice Jackie. Dice K, another Sandy Koufax. A Carl Yastrzemski. That's a pretty card right there. So we got Hall of Famers. I'm not sure who Mr. Agawa is. Ken Griffey, Derek. Oh, nice Derek Jeter. David Ortiz, Vladimir Guerrero, Chase Utley, Troy, Joe Mauer, Travis Hafner. Oh, look at that one right there. Tony Gwynn and Cal Ripken Jr., Frank Thomas, Albert Pujols, Mike. That's a nice Mike Piazza. Look at that Mike Piazza.
Oh, yeah.
Ichiro Jr. Any good ones here? Oh, Michael Jordan, John F. Kennedy, Randy Johnson, Carlos Beltran, Yogi Berra. Wow, look at that card.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. Johan Santana when he was still with Minnesota. Um, Another cool Cal Ripken. And Hanley Ramirez, Victor Martinez, Cole Hamels, Bobby Dorr, Bruce Sutter, Jason Bay, Louis Aparicio, Stephen Drew, Jeff Weaver, Alex Gordon, Howie Kendrick, Zimmerman. Ooh.
Nice.
David Wright. Ryan Howard. A-Rod. Tommy Glavine in a Mets uniform. Phil U. Look at that. President Clinton. Josh Morneau. Andrew Miller. President Richard Nixon. That's pretty cool. Chipper Jones, Biggio, Chris Chambliss. That's a picture after he hit that home run, I believe, in 1978. Tim Lincecum, Billy Butler, Andy LaRoche. 19. Oh, look at that one. 1969 Mets World Series champions. Very cool. We got Reggie Jackson. Kurt Schilling, Brandon Webb, Justin Upton, Randy Johnson again, Mark Teixeira, Mad Max, another Chipper, Longoria, Jim Palmer, Brooks Robinson, Jonathan Papelbon after Boston won the World Series, Manny, Alfonso Soriano, Ortiz, Dice K again, Kurt Schilling, Nick Markakis, Carl Yastrzemski, Wade Boggs. Wow. Joe Morgan, Grady Sizemore, Victor Martinez, Fukudomi, Adam Dunn, Des Tomey, Hall of Famer, Sandberger, Hall of Famer. Got any other Hall of Famers? Hafner, Luis Matt Holiday, Azubu Cabrera, Justin Verlander, future Hall of Famer, Sheffield, Miggy Cabrera, Hanley Ramirez, Lance Berkman, Oswalt, Andrew Jones, another Vladimir Guerrero, Looney, Hunter Pence, and these are 2008 Upper Deck. This is pretty cool. Junior in the Cincinnati Reds uniform. Harmon Killebrew, Carlos Beltran again, another David Wright. Very nice looking. Morneau, Mauer, Prince Fielder, Robin Yount. Very nice. Oh, we got some Johan Santana in a Met uniform, and Jose Reyes in a Met uniform, Pedro Martinez in a Met uniform. This is a nice one. Whitey Ford, Jay Bruce, Ian, Mariano Rivera, A-Rod, more Matsui, Joe Chamber. This was like the Yankee page here with a bunch of guys: Rich Harden, Chase Utley, Hollins Howard, Bill Mazeroski. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Luke Hawker for a rookie card says right there. No, and that's a nice Tony Gwynn. I wonder if Hollis has that one. Matt, you got that one? Hall of Famer Greg Maddux in a Padres uniform. Look at that. Barry Zito, another Ichiro, another Lincecum. And then the final one, you got Felix Hernandez, Ozzie Smith, Veritek, Michael Young, nice action shot there. Carl Crawford, Carpenter, Frank Thomas, Roy Halladay, Ryan Zimmerman. Camera down. Sorry. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Easy. Don't flip open, sonny boy. All right.
So it looks like here they almost had a complete set of Topps Chrome from 2009. We got Mickey Mantle there, Jason Giambi, Dan Ugla. Anybody good on this page?
Are they in number order?
Yeah. So when there's bases, that's where they're missing.
Oh.
So there's Mo. A nice David Wright. There in the Chrome. Brian McCann up there. Kevin Youkilis. Vlad Sr.
27 for Vlad Sr. You notice that?
Yeah.
Hall of Famer Holiday.
Tim Hudson, Glenn Perkins, Alex Gordon, AJ Przinsky, Roy Halladay. We got CC Sabathia, Yachty, Cliff Lee, Daniel Murphy, Randy Johnson and the Giants, Zach Greinke and the Royals, Tim Lincecum. Let's see, Justin Upton, right there. Max Scherzer with the Diamondbacks. Ryan Braun, Manny Ramirez in the LA, Hunter Pence. We got a nice Ichiro, Brian Roberts, John Smoltz in the Red Sox, Derek Jeter, Dustin Pedroia, Victor Martinez with the Indians, Bobby Abreu, the Angels right there, Alfonso Soriano, Troy Tulowitzki, Todd Helton right there, Matt Holliday in the A's, Joe Namath, John Maine in the Mets, Chipper Jones, Jared Weaver, Lance Berkman.
And what year are these?
2009.
2009. So
Jimmy Rollins, Adrian Gonzalez and the Padres, Nick Swisher, Jason Bay, Matt Cain, a nice Jose Reyes, Michael Young, Robinson Cano, Ryan Zimmerman, Jacoby Ellsbury.
very cool.
Now we start getting into some rookies. So let's see if any of these guys made it. Bobby Parnell. All big guys from that page. Say Joe Martinez, excuse me. Jesse Chavez. He's still pitching.
No, he's a lefty. That guy pitching righty?
Yeah.
I think the Jesse Chavez wasn't a lefty?
No.
Oh, I thought he was lefty.
The Jesse Chavez I'm thinking about, that was on the A's and that was on the Braves.
David Price, rookie. Should be looking for that. That would be
Colby
one.
Rasmus, rookie. Oh, a Rick Porcello, rookie.
Oh, wow.
Fernando Martinez in the Mets. Chris Jabaskis. Hunter Jones. The last page of this. Brett Cecil. And then looks like some of the World Baseball Classics. Ramona, Dustin Pedroia, Yadi Molina right there.
Very cool.
Hanley Ramirez. This page. A bunch of dudes. Oh, Kenley Jansen.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at that. For the Netherlands?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That's it.
Hey, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool find. I mean, I don't know. You know, who knows if anything's worth anything, but I mean, seeing some of these cards and everything, I mean, they are very, very nice. I mean, it's just a nice looking card when you really, when you see it, thick, more of a paper and stuff. So that's pretty cool. That's a lot of guys in there. A lot of guys. They even actually when you look at it a little bit more, Mike, and we have to check it out. There's short print variations and stuff in there. And so who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
Yeah, I don't think he has any of those short prints because I would have said to some of those because it's all like Hall of Famers.
Yeah. Oh well. Hey. Oh well. Who cares? So hey, that's not a bad one. That's pretty cool. That's very interesting seeing Chrome, and they're all in really good shape. It's not like they're in bad shape. Corners look good and so on and so forth. So hey, we'll go in. Maybe pick out the Hall of Famers and see where we can go from there. Hey, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. You can do that by number one, write down a comment. Number two, you could go ahead and hit the little thumbs up. Then subscribe. You see that little red subscribe button over there. Click on that. And if you do that, you're going to see a bell. And then after you click a bell, you're going to see the word all. This way you'll know when we do videos. Going to have to start keeping a little better track because we're getting near 100. We're getting near 100 videos, folks. It's unbelievable. Never would have thought it, but happy we are getting to that milestone. So with that, as always, hey, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day or an evening, whichever it is. And again, don't forget about the break right below. And we'll see you at the next one.
See ya.